Rebecca Browder. I go to VCU, and my major is a bachelor's in computer science with a concentration in cybersecurity. So my internship was with the Information Security Office. I was the GRC intern. I worked with third-party risk management, and I also worked with compliance mapping, going from ISO standards to NIST standards. So for my internship, I learned that there's a lot of moving parts that go into an information security office. Everyone has their section, and communication is key to bring it all together. From this opportunity, what I've learned is that going into it, I come from a more programming background with computer science, but I've learned that I do really like the information security side and that this is what I want to pursue in my career.